A friend once bought the most powerful leaf blower he could find. It looked impressive, sounded like a motorcycle, and became unbearable after 10 minutes. It was heavy, difficult to start, and far too loud for his small yard. Returning it cost him time and money. His mistake wasn't buying a bad machine. He bought the wrong machine for the job. Electric or gas may sound like a simple choice, but power, runtime, noise, weight, and maintenance can change everything. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which type fits your property and priorities. Power and performance. Let's begin with the question most buyers ask first: which one is more powerful? Gas leaf blowers have traditionally delivered stronger, more consistent airflow for demanding work. They're particularly effective when you're moving wet leaves, pine needles, small twigs, or thick piles of debris. This is why professional landscapers often use gas-powered backpack models. They need equipment that can keep pushing through heavy material for hours, not something that performs well only during a quick driveway cleanup. Electric blowers are no longer automatically the weaker choice, though. Modern battery-powered models can generate enough force for most residential jobs, and some premium models compete surprisingly well with gas machines. For dry leaves, grass clippings, patios, driveways, and ordinary lawn cleanup, a capable electric blower is usually more than sufficient. Gas still has the advantage for sustained heavy work, but many homeowners simply don't need that extra muscle. Yard size. For a small or medium yard, an electric blower usually makes more sense. You can pick it up, press a button, clear the area, and put it away without turning a routine task into a production. Corded models work well when the entire area is within reach of an outlet. Battery models give you more freedom and are better suited to properties with paths, trees, or obstacles. Gas becomes more practical on large properties where you may work far away from the house. There's no extension cord to manage and no need to stop because a battery's empty. If you maintain several acres, clear large volumes of leaves, or work professionally across multiple properties, gas offers the range and endurance that electric equipment may struggle to provide. Runtime and refueling. Runtime is where the difference becomes more complicated. A corded electric blower can run continuously as long as it remains connected to power. The limitation isn't time, but distance. You're tied to an outlet, and dragging a long extension cord around trees, vehicles, and garden furniture can become frustrating. A cordless blower gives you complete freedom, but its runtime depends on the battery, power setting, and workload. Using turbo mode continuously can drain a battery much faster than expected. You can solve that problem with spare batteries, although those batteries add considerably to the total cost. Gas blowers can keep operating as long as you have fuel. When the tank is empty, you refill it within minutes and continue. That makes gas more suitable for long work sessions. The trade-off is that you must buy, transport, mix when required, and safely store the correct fuel. Starting and convenience. Electric blowers win easily when it comes to starting. Press a button or pull a trigger and the motor responds immediately. There's no choke, no pull cord, and no waiting for an engine to warm up. That convenience matters more than it sounds. If you only need to clear leaves from the front steps or blow grass from a driveway, you're more likely to use a tool that starts instantly. A gas blower requires more preparation. Depending on the engine, you may need to check the fuel, set the choke, prime the carburetor, and pull the starter cord several times. A well-maintained machine may start quickly, but an older or poorly maintained one can turn a 5-minute cleanup into a 20-minute argument. For frequent short jobs, electric is simply easier. Noise. Noise isn't a minor detail, especially if you live close to other people. Gas blowers are loud. The engine produces a constant mechanical noise in addition to the sound of moving air. That can disturb neighbors, interrupt conversations, and make early morning or evening use a bad idea. Hearing protection is also important, particularly during long sessions. Electric blowers are generally quieter because they don't have combustion engines. They still produce noticeable airflow noise, so they aren't silent, but the sound is usually less harsh and easier to tolerate. If you live in a tightly packed neighborhood, work around schools or offices, or simply dislike unnecessary noise, electric has a clear advantage. You should also check local rules because some communities restrict gas-powered leaf blowers. Weight and handling. A powerful blower isn't useful if you hate carrying it. Corded electric models are usually the lightest because they don't contain an engine, fuel tank, or large battery. Cordless models weigh more, and high-capacity batteries can make them feel unbalanced, but they are still generally easy to handle during residential work. Gas handheld blowers tend to be heavier. Backpack models distribute that weight across your shoulders and back, making them more comfortable for extended use, but they remain substantial machines. Weight matters if you have limited strength, shoulder problems, or a large area to cover. Don't judge a blower by specifications alone. If possible, hold it in working position and pay attention to balance, grip comfort, and vibration. Maintenance. Electric blowers require very little maintenance. Keep the air intake clear, clean the tube, inspect the cord if it has one, and store the battery correctly. That's about it. There are fewer moving parts, no engine oil, and no fuel system waiting to become clogged after months in storage. Gas blowers demand more attention. You may need to replace spark plugs, clean filters, inspect fuel lines, maintain the carburetor, and use the correct oil-to-fuel mixture on two-stroke engines. Old fuel can also cause starting problems. None of this is impossible, but it takes time and some mechanical confidence. Let me explain the real difference. An electric blower asks you to remember to charge it. A gas blower asks you to maintain a small engine. Choose the responsibility you're more willing to accept. Cost. The purchase price doesn't tell the whole story. Corded electric blowers are often the least expensive option. Battery models can appear affordable until you discover that the advertised price covers only the bare tool. A battery and charger may increase the final cost substantially. However, if you already own compatible tools from the same battery platform, buying an electric blower can be excellent value. Gas blowers may cost more upfront, especially professional backpack models. They also create recurring expenses for fuel, oil, filters, spark plugs, and servicing. Electric models cost relatively little to charge, although batteries eventually lose capacity and can be expensive to replace. Compare the complete setup, not just the number on the shelf. Include required accessories, long-term maintenance, and the expected life of the machine. Emissions and storage. Electric blowers produce no exhaust at the point of use. You don't breathe combustion fumes while working, and you won't carry the smell of gasoline back into your garage or home. Their overall environmental impact still depends partly on how the electricity and battery are produced, but local operation is cleaner. Gas blowers release exhaust while running and require safe fuel storage. Gasoline should never be left near heat, flames, or poorly protected electrical equipment. Fuel can also leak, evaporate, or degrade during long periods of storage. Electric equipment is simpler to store. Remove or disconnect the battery, clean the machine, and keep everything in a dry location. Gas equipment often needs preparation before seasonal storage to prevent fuel system problems. Which one should you buy? Choose a corded electric blower if you have a small property, easy access to outdoor outlets, and want the lowest cost option. It works especially well for patios, short driveways, decks, and occasional cleanup. Choose a cordless electric blower if you want fast starting, low maintenance, reduced noise, and enough performance for a typical residential yard. For most homeowners, this is the best overall balance. Buy into a battery platform that also supports other tools you plan to use. Choose gas if you maintain a large property, regularly move wet or heavy debris, or need to work for extended periods without waiting for batteries to recharge. It remains a practical choice for demanding and professional use. Bottom line, don't buy gas just because it sounds stronger, and don't buy electric just because it feels more modern. Buy for the work you actually do. The right leaf blower isn't the one with the biggest number on the box. It's the one you can start, carry, operate, and maintain without regretting the purchase.